family. I love all my sisters and their kids, but my dad, their kids, they've been a blessing to me. And and for my nieces and nephews, my little ones, all the greats and great nieces, I love them all, and thank God for that.
Amen.
Jay?
I'm grateful and thankful for, God's grace and mercy, and that the lifestyle that, saving my parents and them following him and keeping me out from in the streets and experiencing all that. So I'm grateful for that. And for my wife, her prayers and just challenging me, step out and keep going for God, and my daughters, and just grateful and thankful.
Amen.
Well, man, I'm so thankful for everything. If anybody's thankful, I'm thankful. And if you guys don't want to cry, I'm going to cry. I'm thankful for Pops and Mom so much because of your guys' prayers. A lot of us are here today. You know what I mean? And I can't thank you guys enough. Pops, I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. And I'm so thankful for my salvation and God's restoring power.
Amen.
That's right.
I know you guys have heard it before, and I'll keep saying it to the day I die. I'm thankful for God restoring my family, for Marlene, for Faith, and for Mariah. And, I'm thankful for all you guys. I love you guys, and just how God has brought us from so much, that today I could stand here with you guys and not in a prison cell or on the streets on drugs or with my homies thinking that, I'm just so thankful for all you guys, and I love you guys so much.